How often do you consider the far-reaching impacts of poverty on our society? Pause for a moment and let that question sink in. Poverty isn't just about the absence of material wealth or resources. Rather, it's a complex issue with tendrils that reach into every corner of society and beyond borders, impacting the global community. Let's start with the sheer scale of poverty. The World Bank estimates that nearly 10% of the world's population lives in extreme poverty. That's over 700 million people surviving on less than $1.90 a day. The effects of poverty ripple out, affecting health, education, and economic growth. In the realm of health, those living in poverty often lack access to adequate health care and nutrition. This leads to higher rates of disease, lower life expectancy, and reduced productivity. Next, let's consider education. Poverty often denies children the opportunity to receive quality education. This not only limits their personal growth and potential, but also hampers the development of their communities. A lack of education perpetuates a cycle of poverty, as it reduces the chances of securing well-paying jobs in the future. The economic impact of poverty is equally profound. Economies cannot thrive when a sizable portion of their population is impoverished. Poverty stifles innovation, entrepreneurship, and investment, slowing down economic growth and development. The need for effective solutions and strategies to alleviate poverty has never been more urgent. But finding these solutions is no easy task. It requires a deep understanding of the multifaceted nature of poverty, innovative thinking, and commitment to making a lasting change. Now, we're about to embark on a journey of discovery. A journey that will take us from the vast plains of poverty to the intricate world of equations and strategies designed to alleviate it. We're about to introduce you to a unique approach, one that might just hold the key to lifting millions out of poverty. Now let's unveil a unique approach to poverty alleviation, the McGinty Equation. What if we told you that a mathematical equation could be a key to understanding and addressing poverty? It might sound surprising, but that's exactly where the McGinty Equation enters the picture. Let's break it down a bit. The McGinty Equation, in its simplest form, is pes xt equals sign pi of t plus pes fractal xt dm qs. The psqft xxt part represents the solution of the free quantum field theory, often used to understand complex mechanical systems. Now, you might be wondering what those letters and symbols mean. Well, without diving too deep into the mathematical jargon, this equation is like a roadmap, guiding us through the intricacies of complex systems. Think about it. Economies, like mechanical systems, are complex. They have many moving parts and variables that interact in intricate ways. The McGinty Equation helps us navigate these complexities, but there's more to it. The equation also includes a fractal term, fractal xtdmqs. Fractals, in the simplest of terms, are never-ending patterns, self-similar across different scales. They are found everywhere in nature, from snowflakes to galaxies. This fractal term represents the self-similar fractal structure of the potential term VYT. It's like a secret decoder, helping us understand the recurring patterns in complex systems. But what about gravity, XTG? This represents the perturbative effects of gravity on the quantum field, with G characterizing the strength of the gravitational force. This term brings in the influence of gravity, adding another layer of complexity to the equation, making it more comprehensive. So, in essence, the McGinty Equation is a tool to understand complex systems like economies. It provides a way to decode the intricate patterns and variables that make up these systems, from the quantum field to gravitational forces. But how does this equation relate to poverty alleviation? Stay with us to find out. The McGinty Equation, with its profound understanding of complex systems, can offer unique insights into poverty alleviation. The McGinty Equation, in its most simplified form, is a multidimensional model that combines free quantum field theory with fractal mathematics and even accounts for gravitational effects. This complex equation, with its impressive depth of understanding, can be harnessed to tackle one of the world's most pressing issues: poverty. The first way we can apply the McGinty Equation is by using it to devise targeted economic strategies. By understanding the intricacies of the equation, we can better comprehend the complex interplay of factors that contribute to economic growth. This in turn allows us to design strategies that can stimulate economic activity in impoverished communities, helping to lift individuals and families out of poverty. The McGinty Equation's understanding of complex systems can also be applied to the complexities of poverty. Poverty is not a singular issue. It is a web of interconnected problems spanning from lack of education and healthcare to unemployment and social exclusion. It is a system, and like all systems, it can be understood, analyzed, and ultimately altered. By applying the principles of the McGinty equation to these systems, we can develop a holistic understanding of poverty. This understanding can then be used to design social programs that address the root causes of poverty rather than just its symptoms. For instance, we can devise education initiatives that take into account the precise needs of a community, or healthcare programs that are tailored to the unique challenges faced by a specific group of people. The potential of the McGinty equation in poverty alleviation is vast. With its deep understanding of complex systems, it provides a fresh perspective and a powerful tool for those working to alleviate poverty worldwide. Let's summarize what we've learned about the McGinty equation and its role in poverty alleviation. The McGinty equation isn't just a mathematical concept, it's a new perspective on poverty and its alleviation. By integrating the principles of quantum field theory and fractal mathematics, it provides a new lens to view and tackle poverty. The equation's components, from the free quantum field theory solution to the perturbative effects of gravity on the quantum field, can potentially help devise targeted economic strategies and social programs. The self-similar fractal structure, characterized by constant parameters, offers a unique understanding of poverty's recursive nature. The potential to derive the fractal correction term using integral calculus, Laplace transform, and the convolution theorem further enhances its applicability. The modified McGinty equation, combined with general relativity, represents an innovative approach to addressing the complex issue of poverty. By considering the perturbative effects of gravity on the quantum field, it could provide more nuanced insights into poverty alleviation. The McGinty equation, an unexpected but promising tool in the global fight against poverty.